Hello and welcome to the channel. In this video I'm just going to do a very quick giveaway. Now I'm not far off on 5,000 subscribers and I think that's going to happen very quickly. So as a thank you back to one lucky person, I'm going to send them this auto darkening mask I've just purchased and a set of MIG gloves. So hopefully one lucky person can either help them with their restoration or get into metalwork. And yeah, it's just my way of saying thank you back to the channel. I know it's not much, but I've had to go and purchase it out of my own money. So if you're in the UK or Europe, I'll get it posted to you. If you are in like Australia or America or wherever, it'll cost a fortune, but I will make a donation to you so you can then go and purchase your own mask if you wish. So that's my way of giving a thank you back to one lucky person. I wish I could give more away, but hopefully as the channel grows I can invest more into it and give away better things. So yeah, all I ask you to do is leave a comment below. That will be randomly selected on an app and the winner will be contacted once I reach the 5,000 subscriber mark. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. It'll really help the channel. And yeah, thanks in advance and hopefully you're the lucky winner of this. And yeah, cheers. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.